Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to search for movies and TV shows. Now, if you find this video insightful, do well to drop a like, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. To get this done, all you need to do is head over to the search bar at the top left, navigate down to search movies and shows, and now you're going to look for the movie. So for example, I'm going to search for a TV series. I'm going to search one of my favorite TV series, and right there, after clicking the search button, it's going to launch for it, and now you will find it explicitly laid out here on the seasons. You can navigate, you look at the cast and crew and other movies similar to that one. So that's how you search for movies, maybe a TV show. This is the process, and you're going to find the same results. So if you found that valuable, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.